Tips to improve your IELTS score in reading. At first, you should know about many types of questions in the IELTS test. The IELTS test includes 6 types of questions. Multiple choice questions, true, false, and not given questions, matching type questions, table, diagram, note, summary, completion questions, short answer questions, sentence completion questions. However, to make the tips effectively, we divide into 2 types of questions: order questions and non-order questions. By sorting out into 2 types of questions, we should finish the order questions in the test first, before completing the non-order questions. To order questions, it will be better if you follow some steps as below. Firstly, scan the questions and underline keywords. Keywords include private name, year, and quantitative words, and so on. Then read the passage and find out the underlined words which may be paraphrased in the sentences. After determining the key words, skim the sentences to find out the answer. One important thing is that the exact answer should be in the passage. If you have to change the word forms in the answer, the word you found will definitely be the wrong answer. With the question to complete the sentence like that, the keyword will be tower, raised, extraction of seaweed. So if you only find the first 2 keywords in the passages below, you will find the sentence. The tower will stick out of the water. Then you may think the answer should be warn shipping. However, you have to put it in correct form by changing to warning shipping, so the words you find out won't be the correct answer. So, what is the correct answer? Look at the keyword table below and you will know. Keywords: whole tower. Words in the passage: the tower. Be raised, lifted out of the water. Extraction of seaweed from the blades. Clean seaweed from the blades. Obviously, the correct answer is maintenance. So please note that doesn't change the word form of your answer. Finally, all the order questions are in order. Thus, if you find the answer to question 1 in paragraph A, the answer to question 2 will be in paragraph B afterwards. Another point is that if your questions are from 10 to 13, for instance, and they are order questions, so you don't have to read all the paragraphs. Just try it and you will see it works. To non-order questions, your steps somehow are vice versa. There is no particular step for non-order questions because it will depend on each type of question. This will be explained carefully in the next video. but commonly it will include some steps like: firstly, scan the questions and underline keywords. Keywords include private name, year, and quantitative words, and so on. Quickly, you don't need to read it carefully. Secondly, back to the passage. Read the paragraph in detail, with matching focus on reading the first and the last sentence of the paragraph. With other types, read the passage carefully to get the gist of the passage and return to finish the questions. Remember to guess the word forms of answers and don't change the word forms in the passage when you fill in the blank. The detailed steps for each type of question will be explained in the next video with the examples given. I hope it'll work for you guys.